Running a business is hard work. There are so many things to do. AI can help. It can automate tasks and make your life easier. Imagine having more time and less stress. That's what AI can do for you. This isn't science fiction. AI is here and it's changing how businesses work. Don't get left behind. In this article, we'll explore how AI can revolutionize your business. We'll look at examples and benefits. Get ready to boost your business with AI. Think of all the repetitive tasks you do every day. Maybe you answer the same customer questions. Maybe you enter data into spreadsheets. AI can do these tasks for you. AI is like having a tireless employee. It can work 24/7 without breaks. It can handle boring tasks with perfect accuracy. This frees you up to focus on the important stuff. Things like strategy, creativity, and growth. AI is already being used by businesses of all sizes. Chatbots, for example, are powered by AI. They answer customer questions instantly, 24/7. This improves customer service and saves you money. Marketing is another area where AI shines. AI can analyze data to find your best customers. It can personalize marketing campaigns for better results. AI can even help you create content. The benefits of AI are clear. AI saves you time and money. It improves efficiency and reduces errors. It also helps you understand your customers better. AI is an investment. But it's an investment that pays off. By automating tasks, you free up resources. You can then invest those resources in growth and innovation. In today's fast-paced world, AI is no longer optional. It's essential for success.